Welcome back. In this part of the networking section, we tackle one of the most common automation tasks, sending emails directly from a Python script. We will use two powerful modules from the standard library, SMTPLib for the network connection and email for message formatting. 1. The SMTP Protocol. To send an email, your Python script acts as a client, connecting to a mail server like Gmail or Outlook using the SMTP or Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. This protocol requires you to authenticate with your email credentials and specify the sender, receiver, and message content. 2. Module 1, SMTPLib for connection. This module is the client-side implementation of the SMTP protocol. We create an smtplib.smtp object, providing the server address and the port, which is 587 for TLS encryption. Since modern servers require a secure connection, we must call smtp_server.start TLS, parenthesis to upgrade the connection to TLS, or transport layer security, before authenticating. 3. Module 2, Email for formatting. While SMTPLib handles the transmission, the email module structures the message correctly using standards like MIME. We import MIME text to create a new message object, MSG. We then use dictionary-like access to set the header fields, like subject, from, and to. These headers are mandatory for a valid email, and email ensures they are formatted correctly for SMTP. Sending emails requires the SMTP protocol. We use SMTPLib for the network connection and secure transmission, start TLS, and the email module, e.g., MIME text, to format the message headers and body. Our next lecture 27.10, Generate Gmail app password. See you there.